Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Happy New Year 2019. I know it's a bit late getting towards the end of January to actually do this, but unfortunately I've been unwell the last couple of months. That's the reason for less content. I've also had a few tutorials that I tried to do that failed, including a water cooling upgrade to my NAS, a CPU upgrade to my NAS, which is why it required the water cooling due to the compact size of it, and amongst other things, basically just struggling to get content out along with work and real life, unfortunately. As a result of this, I'm here now with a new video. I'm going to start uploading again more regularly. I have hit over 100 subs at the current point in time. It's 111 subs. And I have purchased everything that I require for the solar powered PC project that I said that I would do when I hit 100 subs. So that'll be coming with you soon, or coming to you soon rather. So I just thought I wanted to update the video and just say hello, and I'm still here, channel's still alive. I'll probably be uploading a bit less than I was. I'm not going to be able to hit a weekly schedule anymore. Probably monthly, with maybe an additional one every couple of weeks. I can't make any guarantees at the moment. I've had a lot of setbacks recently from dead monitors, dead machines. I know it all sounds like excuses, but unless you've actually sat here and tried to grind out a YouTube channel as a new content creator and had these problems while still trying to hold down a full-time job, then unfortunately you're not going to understand. So look forward to the 100 subscriber video that's coming soon. I hope that I'll see you there, and I hope that I continue to grow and you continue to enjoy my content. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.